Good morning, guys. Beautiful Saturday morning here in Saskatoon. I am Rich. Welcome to Flipping for a Living. I typically do a lot of video where I'm walking up showing you guys the stuff, but this is a community sale. There's 107 sales listed. I don't want to spend a lot of time doing that. It's going to be more just quick snapshots, maybe a few highlights in there of really good sales, but I just want to get going. 107 sales. We got to get them all under our belt here in the next couple hours, because then I got to pick up my wife and go to the other side of the city and go to another community sale in about a 1 square mile area that has 103 sales available. So just real quick, started off the day right here. First sale, Pioneer 50-inch, a little bit older school. They had it working for me. First sale I stop at. It's a great TV. I'll easily make $100 on that. Yeah, $100 profit if I don't just keep it. Let's get to the sales. Good morning. Pretty hard to dicker when you're like 45 minutes before the sale's supposed to start, but still a nice little bundle. What do we got there? Seven DS games and a really nice black DS. 20 bucks. It's not the best deal in the world, but that is going to be an easy local flip for $60. I'll probably maybe look at trying to get a little bit more, but for sure we're going to make 40 bucks off that. Lickety split. Local. No shipping, no packing, no fees, all profit.
Good morning.
Good morning.
See, we got some early birds.
Yeah, there's plenty of us.
What is it? The early bird gets the worm?
Yeah.
But wants worms?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, we had people here at before 8.
That's a little excessive.
Yeah.
I didn't leave my house till 8 at least, but
Yeah, no, they were here. They saw the door open and they're walking in.
I'm gonna back up real quick, you guys, to show you this. It's probably not the type of sale that you would drive into. A lot of people would do a drive-by on that one, but it worked out good for me because you never know what's on those tables. Anyways, there's a nice complete Mario Monopoly, or sorry, Nintendo Monopoly. I guess I should put my seatbelt on while I drive and talk on my phone. Nintendo Monopoly, it's complete. I quickly made sure that everything was in there. Got that for $3. And then this TaylorMade driver here, pretty new model. It came with an extra shaft. So this TaylorMade driver here, 10 bucks for that. That's going to be an easy $50 or $60 flip. So that's why I never do a drive-by. Spent 8 bucks there and I'm going to get 80. Sorry, spent 13 bucks there and I should get about 80 back. Okay, I did a quick wardrobe change. Just bought this jacket for $2 at a garage sale. I had a black thick sweater on, I'm sure you noticed, which was a little bit much. So I downgraded into this nice retro jersey jacket blouse. Anyways, right here we got about 4 in a row. Let's go take a quick look.
Oh, this one's unopened. I would go with $3. What do you think? $3?
How much is it?
3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3
I'm having one of those moments where it's like, the gig is up. The whole world knows about buying and reselling from garage sales now. I'm not finding, my truck's not full. It's 9:30 at a community sale, and I normally have my truck like overflowing. So it's done. I give up. I'm done. I quit. You ever have those days? Things can only get better at the next sale. So let's go check it out. A little bit of a crammed hot corner here, this little crescent. A lot of SUVs. A lot of families. A lot of baby stuff.
That's okay.
Do you want to get some wine in a cooler?
Cool.
The cooler is for $5. What was it? Well, the wine is for this much money, and the cooler is for that much money.
Okay. How do I open it?
I don't know. Thank you. Maybe that. Oh, it's this way. It's good.
Well, it has not been the greatest morning so far in the history of yard sailing. How do you make yourself feel better? You treat yourself to a nice pair of suede Adidas, what we call them in Canada. I did snap up this Techniques equalizer for $5. I didn't even look it up. I just feel it's got to be worth 30 or 40. I guess we'll find out soon enough. Keep you posted if I was right or wrong. And this Nexus tablet, I don't know, it's just a nice, it's a good little tablet to have. $15 for that. It's got the original charger, Nexus 6 or 7, I don't even know. But I know that people who can't afford to buy iPhones, can't afford laptops, maybe a little lower on the income scale, will buy this to be able to be on YouTube and watch things on the internet and be on Facebook and connect with friends. They'll buy these all day long for $60, and in case it's, and it may be worth more. That's just my bare minimum, not even looking it up. You get $60 for that, so still a nice little, and that'll be local also. Now let's go check this one out. Right there. And at that one there, I just ran across the street there. CD Walkman, Sony Walkman in the box. I don't know. Should I have bought this for $4? Too late now. Don't know how that can't be worth 25 or $30 with the box. Are boxes important on that kind of stuff? I know when you really get into the old vintagey stuff, boxes are important, but are people collecting this for the box? Is this too new to have people collecting them and want boxes? I guess anytime you can get a box, it gives the impression, at least to the consumer, that somebody really cared and took care of their stuff, right? Another quick little blind buy at that next sale, $2 for this board game. It's like in immaculate condition. Didn't even bother looking it up. As you can see, it's called Star Lord. Very cool retro-y game. Take a shot on that for $2 anytime. My gut's telling me it's only gonna be worth like 15 or 20. My heart is telling me it's gonna be worth 40 or 50. I just had a huge chunk of my profit for the day eaten up. Gonna have to work a little bit harder, find a few more great deals to pay off this. Yep, $175 seatbelt ticket. How many of you have gotten one of these in your garage sale days? Whipping around through an area sale, stopping every block or two or less. I would gauge it at about 2.5 football fields between sales, and this officer was coming straight on at me, and he did a hard U-turn and pulled me over, and he was extremely nice about it. Not going to complain about that. Tried to talk my way out of it, told him what I was doing, going yard sailing, and he's like, any reason you weren't wearing your seatbelt? Any reason you weren't wearing your seatbelt? I said, yeah, I'm just, as you can see, with my full truck, I'm going to yard sales, I just forgot to put it on. He said, sorry man, I see too many people die not wearing their seatbelts, so I'm giving you a ticket today. So yeah, $175 coming straight out of the profit. Anyways, yeah, he was like, and you can try and convince me that you were wearing your seatbelt, but with that bright white sweater on, there was definitely no black stripe across it. And he is right, there was not. So, buying this cool blouse for $2 at a yard sale actually cost me probably $150. If I had still my black sweater on, he may not have noticed. Anyways, don't be lazy like me and not put on your seatbelt just because you're only going. I mean, at the very least, right? At the very least, the guy could hold it there if he's only driving 100 yards. You don't even have to click it in. Oh well. It's only my second time in 20 years that I've gotten a ticket while I was out yard sailing, so that's not bad. One per decade I can live with. $175 though. I had no idea they were that much. So I like buying little buckets like this, baskets like this. It's got 2 old iPhones, like the original ones, not even iPhone 4s, but before that, and an iPod in there. All the chargers, probably extra cables. And they just gave me the whole basket for $5. Like I just mentioned earlier, this is something that somebody who just can't afford fancy stuff, but still wants to be able to connect on Facebook or shop on Facebook Marketplace and buy my stuff. I guess that doesn't make sense. Anyways, for those type of people who can't afford the high-end stuff but still want to be connected socially to the world, they'll buy these all day long, $25-30 if they charge. I am taking a chance, but I don't know about you, but I certainly don't go to garage sales to buy pants, Levi's or not, for $40. Maybe it's just me. And to not actually have the price on any of the stuff. At that last sale, you asked the lady 3 or 4 questions, and the answer to all of them is, ooh, I don't know, you get the picture, right?
If you want to,
Well, it's that part of the day where I've picked up the wife. It's like 1 o'clock Saturday afternoon, but there's so many sales in my city, I have to keep going. She's over there checking out some clothes. This sale right there. Not much happening over there, right? Like, why even stop? Isn't that a drive-by? Like I say, never do a drive-by, because here's what we got. They're absolutely perfect shape. Like everything is fantastic. Like there's nothing amazing here, but this is easily a $15 game. Soul Calibur 20. James Bond 15. Those are some $5 ones. This is also 15. So pretty sure this one is about 30. So there's 95. Let's say 100. Bottom line, never do a drive-by. $100 bill off 15 bucks right there at 1 o'clock at a garage sale that most people would pass on. Hey guys, so rushed home and had a shower and a shave and got ready for a barbecue tonight and realized I didn't actually wrap up the video for today. A little disappointing, you know, when I have these community sales and literally went to probably 200 sales, I really thought I was going to fill my truck at least 2 or even 3 times, and we only really filled it up once. Still some good finds, still gonna make some decent money. Thanks for coming for this ride along. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so, and the notification bell to make sure you know when all my new videos come out. And I hope you guys all have a great day and love what you do.